Hi, my name is Arshaard, a senior associate in the property and real estate team at ENS.
Hi, my name is Raeesa, a senior associate in the property and real estate team at ENS.
We will be discussing various topics around property law and the conveyancing process. In today's edition, we will be diving into the elements of a sale agreement and what you need to know as a seller or a buyer.
The purpose of a sale agreement is to create a contractual relationship between the buyer and the seller. The sale agreement governs the rights and obligations between the parties. In terms of the Alienation of Land Act, the sale agreement is only valid if it's reduced to writing and signed by both parties or their respective parties. There are, however, some exceptions to the rule.
So it must be noted that by entering into a sale agreement doesn't actually give effect to the transfer of the property, and a formal transfer process must be registered at the Deeds Registry in terms of the Deeds Registries Act. So a sale agreement must include, at the very minimum, a description of the buyer and the seller, the description of the land being sold, and the purchase price agreed upon between the parties.
Except for the requirements already mentioned, there are no formal requirements in terms of a sale agreement. There are some commonly included provisions in a sale agreement, such as the payment structure, the date on which occupation will take place, the date on which transfer will pass, the details of the transfer date, registration fees and transfer fees, the estate's agent commission, and compliance certificates.
So who can enter into a sale agreement? The seller must be the registered owner of the property. You can't sell something which you don't own. The seller or buyer can be a natural person or a juristic person, such as a company, closed corporation, or a trust. It is worth noting that a company to be formed does have contractual capacity, but a trust to be formed does not have contractual capacity.
Once the sale agreement is signed and sealed, it's time for the formal conveyancing process to commence.
Look out for our next episode where we discuss the in and out of the conveyancing process.